so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello! How are you today? Yeah! Whoa! Look at where we are. Today we're at Fidgets Indoor Play Place in Las Vegas, Nevada. Woo! All right, let's skip around and see what's here. Whoa! Look, it's a train. Whoa! Whoa! All right, I'm gonna continue to skip. Ooh, look at this. Wow, this is a train station. See? There's so many trains here. Like this red train. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Oh, hello, pink train. See? It's a pink train. Wow. Hello. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Wow! Ooh, and look, it's a black train. Choo-choo, 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 choo-choo-choo. Whoa! I love trains. Wow. Vroom, 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 vroom. All right, let's see what else there is around here. Ooh, look at this. It's a colorful ball pit. Whoa, 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 wow. So many colorful balls. Whoa, whoa, what's this in here? Wow, this is a green lawnmower. I think we should mow the lawn. Let's see what else there is in here. Whoa! 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 What is this? Wow! It's a red motorcycle! I bet there's something else in here for us. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! 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 Oh, watch out! Oh, I almost got you. Whoa! Oh, look! It's an excavator! Yeah, like the Blippi excavator song.
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later.
All right, now let's crawl to this side of the room. Whoa! Look at this! This looks like the base of a boat. And this is water, see? Ooh! Whoa! That is one cool boat. Okay, let's continue to crawl. Ooh! Whoa! Look at this! Wow, we have a fire truck. Whoa! And a school bus. Okay, let's take the fire truck and let's let her rip. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Whoa! That was awesome! All right, let's do it again, but this time with the school bus. Ready? Here we go! Whoa! Yeah! Good job! Whoa! Look at that back there! Wow! This looks like a princess and the king's castle. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Hello! Look! I'm a unicorn! And look at what else I found in here. Whoa! It's a stroller with a baby in it. This is a baby. Hi, baby. Hello. Okay, sleep tight, baby. Shh. Ooh, sleep tight. Ooh, sleep tight. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, now let's go run around some more. Look at these steps. They're so colorful. This step is the color blue. This step is the color orange. This step is the color red. Ooh. And this step is the color green. Come up here. Whoa! Look at this red punching bag. Ooh, here's another one over here. Whoa! Wow. See? Here's another one. This punching bag is orange. Wow! We are on the second floor of this structure. Whoa! Hey! And there's a tunnel. Go over there. Hello! Whoa, look at this tunnel! Whoa, I see you over there! Okay, I'll come over there. Here we go. I'm crawling through the tunnel. Wow, that was really cool. Oh, look over here. Wow, see this? This is a yellow slide. Ooh, and it's the shape of a circle. Oh, and I should go down it, slide down it. And then when I'm down there, you can come down after me. Ready? All right, bye-bye. Whoa! Whoa! Good job going down the slide. Okay, that was so much fun sliding down the slide. Now, I think we should roll. Whoa! Whoa! I love rolling. Oh, hey, what's this? Whoa. Hello? Hey, how are you? Now I'm inside this house. Reddit. Oh, hey, frog. Hello. Ooh, what else is here? Ooh, bye-bye, frog.
Hello, I'm a sheep. Ba, 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 ba. Ba. Hello.
Okay, let's go over here. Whoa, look at this contraption. Whoa. I'm balancing. Okay. Whoa. Oh, That was awesome! Now let's roll some more. Whoa, look at this yellow car. Here it comes. Oh, yeah! Here's another one. This one is the color purple. Get ready, here we go. Yeah! Okay. Oh, hey, look at this. This is a pink carriage with a horse on it. Bye-bye! Yeah. Ooh, and a red car with a yellow top. Whoa, watch out! Ooh. And a black police car. Here we go. Ooh. And one more. A red fire truck. Here we go. Bye-bye, fire truck. Whoa! Woo! Here we go. Let's go over here. All of these colorful blocks. There's so many colors. Okay, I think we should lay them down to see what's behind them. Whoa. Yeah, do you see this? This right here, this is a blackboard. And you can write on it. So let's go over what we did today. First thing is we skipped. S-K-I-P. Yeah, skip. Then we crawled. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. And then we ran. R-U-N. Run. And then what did we do? Yeah, we slid down the slide. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. And then, ooh, we just rolled. R-O-L-L. Roll. Well, this was so much fun doing these active things with you at this play place. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is ask for my name. Yeah, my name's Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. See you again.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!